let's talk about one of the most promising ways to make money as a teenager, starting your own social media marketing agency, or SMMA. This is a business model that's been gaining traction for years, and for good reason. In today's digital world, businesses desperately need to maintain a strong presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn. But here's the catch. Most business owners don't have the time or expertise to manage their social media effectively. So that's where you come in. The SMMA model has become one of the most lucrative opportunities for teens to dive into, requiring a blend of creativity, strategic thinking, and effective communication. It's all about helping businesses grow their online presence. And with the rise of platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, the potential is bigger than ever. So, what exactly is an SMMA business model? In simple terms, an SMMA is a service-based business where you help companies grow their online presence by managing their social media accounts. This could involve creating and scheduling posts, running targeted ad campaigns, engaging with their audience by replying to comments and messages, analyzing performance metrics to optimize future content. So, essentially, you're acting as the bridge between businesses and their target audience online. At its core, SMMA operates on a straightforward framework, identifying the client's needs, understand what the business lacks or struggles with, be it engagement, branding, or lead generation, offering tailored services. Align your services with their pain points, such as creating content, running ads, or managing social media accounts. Delivering results. Businesses prioritize measurable outcomes like increased sales, website traffic, or follower growth. The better you can understand and deliver on this framework, the higher your chances of building trust and retaining clients. Now, why is this particularly great for teenagers? First, you're probably already familiar with social media. You've been using Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat for years, so you already know how these platforms work. But here's where you level up. Instead of using social media just for fun, you'll be using it to make money. With a bit of research and practice, you can easily learn the skills required to manage social media for businesses. Another reason is that the startup costs are minimal. All you need is a phone or a laptop and an internet connection. You don't need inventory, you don't need an office, and you don't need a massive budget. It's all about leveraging your skills. And of course, it's not all smooth sailing. You might face challenges like clients being slow to pay or struggling to land your first deal. But the key is to stay consistent and keep improving your skills. Remember, every client you secure adds to your credibility. Some common issues new agencies face are unrealistic expectations, late payments, or micromanaging clients. For these, you should set clear boundaries, have contracts in place, and communicate proactively. So, how to get started? First, learn the basics. Start by understanding the essentials of social media marketing. Watch YouTube tutorials, take free online courses, or even buy an affordable course on platforms like Udemy or your favorite influencer. Focus on areas like content creation, analytics, and running ad campaigns. Then identify your niche. Not all businesses are the same. Some might be restaurants, others might be fitness trainers or e-commerce brands. Choose a niche you're interested in or already have some knowledge about. For instance, if you love fitness, consider working with gyms and personal trainers, and so on for other businesses. Then, create a portfolio. Businesses will want proof that you can deliver results. You can start by offering your services for free to a local business or a friend's startup to build your portfolio. Document your work and the results you've achieved. And then, reach out to clients. Use platforms like LinkedIn, cold email, or even Instagram DMs to connect with potential clients. Your pitch should highlight how you can solve their problems and grow their business. Focus on the value you'll bring to their brand. Listen, you have to convince them that they need you more than you need them. And then you can set your prices. Start small, but don't undervalue yourself. A good starting point could be offering packages for $300 to $500 per month. As you gain experience and achieve results, you can charge higher rates. And lastly, deliver exceptional results. Once you land a client, make sure you deliver above and beyond their expectations. This will help you retain clients and get referrals. Not only will they be forever your client, but word of mouth is a force you don't want to miss. Some tools to use for SMMA are Canva, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Filmora, CapCut, or Adobe Spark for designing visuals and editing videos. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later for automating or scheduling posts. Platforms like Google Analytics or Facebook Insights to track results. And Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager, or TikTok for business for running paid campaigns. Also, you could take help from ChatGPT, of course. The right mindset is crucial for succeeding in SMMA, especially as a teenager venturing into the business world. Here's how to cultivate it. Firstly, think long-term. Don't get discouraged by initial failures or a lack of immediate clients. SMMA is about building trust and relationships over time. Second, be open to learning. Marketing trends, tools, and platforms change constantly. Embrace a growth mindset to stay ahead. Third, build resilience. Handling rejections and demanding clients can be tough. Resilience will keep you focused on your goals. Fourth, prioritize value. Always prioritize delivering value. Happy clients lead to long-term success and referrals. And lastly, have confidence without arrogance. Believe in your abilities, but remain open to feedback and improvement. If you've searched for SMMA on YouTube, you've likely come across Iman Gadhzi. He's become a central figure in popularizing the agency model. While his content showcases the heights you can achieve, remember that every success story starts small. The key takeaway from his teachings? Master the fundamentals, build skills, add value, and focus on client satisfaction. The greatest aspect of SMMA is its versatility. You can cater to various industries based on your interests and expertise. Here are a few categories to consider. Small local businesses like gyms, cafes, salons, and small retail stores that want to attract customers in their area. Also, e-commerce brands, including companies that sell products online that need help with ads, social proof, and customer engagement. And, of course, influencers, coaches, and thought leaders who need consistent social media content to grow their following. And startups, corporates, and emerging businesses looking to establish a professional online image. Another great aspect of an SMMA is its scalability. As you gain more clients, you can hire freelancers to outsource tasks like content creation or ad management so you can focus on getting new clients, and automate processes by use tools like Hootsuite for scheduling posts or Canva for designing graphics. Also expand your services by offering more services like website design, email marketing, or SEO services to diversify your income streams. Securing clients may seem intimidating, but a systematic approach works wonders. Here's how you can get clients. Start with your network. Offer services to friends, family, or local businesses. Even small wins build your portfolio. Next, practice cold outreach. Send personalized DMs or emails to small businesses. Show them exactly how you can solve their problems. Next, leverage freelance platforms. Use Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn to find your first few clients. Also, post valuable content related to marketing on your own social media to attract inbound leads and offer free trials, or a period of free service to demonstrate your value and earn trust. To stay competitive, focus on offering services that are in high demand. These are the most in-demand services for the year 2025: short-form video content. Creating TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts is a must-have service. Paid advertising. Running effective Facebook ads, Google ads, or TikTok ads for targeted campaigns. Content calendar planning, helping clients plan posts for optimal engagement. Analytics and reporting, providing insights into what's working and what isn't through tools like Facebook Insights or Google Analytics. Social media growth strategies, gaining followers organically using trends, engagement hacks, and effective SEO. Okay, so let's tackle some common questions about starting an SMMA. First, do I need a lot of money to start? No, most of what you need is free, like Canva for design or social media platforms for outreach. Paid tools help later but aren't mandatory to begin with. Next, is SMMA saturated? The market is competitive but far from saturated. Businesses will always need innovative marketing. Your unique approach will set you apart. Another one is, do I need a team? Well, not initially. Many successful agencies start with one person handling everything. You can hire freelancers as you grow. Now let's address some common misconceptions that usually hold people back in SMMA. Firstly, you need a lot of money to start it well. You can start with little to no investment. Free tools like Canva, social media platforms, and outreach methods are enough for beginners. Next, SMMA is oversaturated. Okay, while it's competitive, the demand for quality marketing services is growing. Businesses are always looking for fresh and innovative ideas. Another one is that you need a big team. Well, many agencies begin as solo operations. You can outsource tasks to freelancers as your workload grows. And another myth is that only big brands need SMMA, while in reality, small businesses, local stores, and personal brands often benefit the most from targeted marketing strategies. So, you do have multiple options and potential clients. Starting an SMMA isn't just a way to make quick cash. It's a long-term business model that can teach you invaluable skills like communication, negotiation, and project management. These are skills you can carry into any career path, whether you stick with your agency or move on to something else. So, if you've ever dreamed of working for yourself and earning money by helping businesses thrive, the SMMA model is worth exploring.